coming live from the command center of the jwsolarusa. Guys, this is what I have for you guys today. I got 4 boxes here already being put together, compressed, and we got some stuff here. Let's open up and see what is in there. It's gonna be a new project here at the jwsolarusa. Gotta be careful how we go about this before you get hurt. Alright guys, the box is already open. I'm gonna show you exactly what is inside the boxes. It's gonna be something of this nature. That's how long it is. Can you take a guess? Alright, stay tuned, like and subscribe. jwsolarusa, live from Minnesota. Alright guys, this is how the package looks like. So what we have here, we're gonna start going through one by one. I can able to show you, and I have few more stuff here. These are remote controls, 4 of them for each unit. Okay, so I'll set them on the corner right here, and what we have here, you ready for this? Let's do it. Look what we have here. Look what we have here. All right, what do you see? A solar panel, right? Well, it's not just a solar panel. Guess this. Solar street light. These are street lights. Now I think it started charging already, because see the green light? Because I already got the ambient. Yeah, so it's like charging. So these are the street lights. So on and off switch. So this is the mounting thing. So we're gonna check what's the diameter here, what kind of pole we're supposed to use with these solar street lights. Like and subscribe, jwsolarusa from Minnesota. So this panel has lithium iron phosphate. I think it's 13 amps. Yeah, I think it's 13 amps. It's a 12 to 13 watt of solar panel, and it has 3 functionalities. You can turn this thing on motion sensor. When it detects a motion, then it's gonna turn on, and for a few seconds it's gonna go off again. Or you can set the other setting on it. It can go on when the object's already passed for a few seconds. Then it's gonna stay lit, but when it senses the motion, it's gonna be super bright, and after that it dims itself, but it doesn't go off completely. The first option, it comes on, and after the object's already passed, or for a while, 1 minute or something, it goes off completely. Or the third one, it stays lit constantly, a full throttle. Okay, it stays on and lit. This one can go up to about 13 hours. So if we set up these things, so we need probably 1.5 inch or 1 inch pipe. So if we put the measurements right here, you see it's a 1 inch pipe. Okay, let me see if I can autofocus. See that? Right from here. So 1 inch, 1.5 inch pipe. So we need for this application, it's a long module. And how long it is, let's measure that and see. if you take it from there to there, so it's almost a 2 foot long. Okay. So it's a 2 foot long, the frame. (24 inches). So 2 foot long. The solar panel itself, so it's a 22-inch. The panel. That's how long it is. 22, almost going to 22 and a half, but 22 inches. Okay. So check this out. This is how they're gonna look like. And it has 4 lights. 1, 2. So I think each bulb. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, 16. So 4 is 32, 36, 38, 40, 42. 42 lights on each beam. This beam 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42. So this one can able to put out a good amount of light. They said is a 2500 lumens. 2500 lumens is given out. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna take this one out again. We have the other one. Make sure you're all okay. Inspect it. It's the same. Panel is all good, looks good. So it's illuminating right here, the green light. The motion sensor. It has a radar induction head. Okay. Solar street light. It says right there. Solar street light. Street lamp series. All right. Let's go back here. This is how you don't pay for electricity within your area. Instead of paying for that electric pole that they're going to be charging you every month, probably $10 or something, for just having a street pole. You don't need that. This is the best route to go, by buying these solar panels. That street light you can able to utilize and effectively. So this is the other one. It has, I think it's a 12 bolts it has here. And there you are. So check this other one out. The last one. Inspect the panel. These are like a polycrystalline solar panel. It's not a mono. So the lights are here, illuminating too. So there you go, guys. It lit up. It's so bright. I turned the panel down. It almost blind my eyes. So they lit, guys. Let's check this, because here they are. Very, very bright. Very, very bright. Here they are. It's very, very bright. And let's check this other one. So look at that. Tell me what you think. It's 4 modules here. It's a row. This one is a row right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't see on the camera because it's way too bright. So act like a diffuser. The camera sensor is censoring that. So they're working. So perfectly nice, bright solar modules here that gives us the street lights for our home. And this, I'm gonna show you where they're gonna go. Stay tuned for that while we're gonna be doing installation or series of videos of this. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. So each module comes with a remote on it. So due to that, this is the remote control, and it doesn't come with a battery, but it has let me turn this one off so that we can able to see through the lens again. All right, it has how many hours it's gonna lead for. You can set it for 2 hours, you can set it for 4, you can set it for 6 hours, or you can set it as always. That means always on. And this one is another induction, so it comes on when it senses something, it goes off again. So, or dims. So this is what it is. And guys, these are just awesome solar street light. Don't you think? Looks beautiful. All right, like and subscribe, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Now you see each module has a remote control on it, so you can able to navigate, or you can able to tell which lights the way you want them to lit on a different zone. Yeah, you want to just make the other side is dimmer, or maybe number 1, number 2. Now you can able to see the remote control, the functionality on it. Here's the back of the panel. There's a long bolt. You can use a pipe. Here's the radar detection, radar induction head. Okay, and by pushing this, it's gonna lit, blinds the thing completely. So look at that, super bright. So we're back, and these are all the panels, like how they look like, and really like them. Super nice. I hope everything goes well. And lithium iron phosphate is a 13 amps, something like that. Well, I'll put the specification and description below, so you can able to see what they are and everything. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, one thing I detect here is broken here. You can see from the side here how cracked or broken it is, and this piece of chunk is there. So yeah, it's kind of thin. I'll contact them and see what they have to do towards that. And you can see the broken panel, or the broken thing right from there. Right? Nobody's buying something that is broken, and you pay your money for it. You gotta get what you pay for. Okay, so it's busted right there. Extend very close to the panel. Okay, I just want to show that here you guys saw that on camera, and it's only one module that has the problem, not the rest of them. So just want to make sure document that. So far so good. I think they're good modules. So guys, this is how they look like. I just want to share with you. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. I'm gonna take them outside and put them on the sun and see how they charge. They said they charge really fast though, but 4 to 6 hours for a 13 amp battery, lithium iron phosphate, plus 12 watts, 13 watts solar panels. So it's almost like an amp for a watt. An amp for a watt. I think that's how it's rated. This is really cool. It's beautiful. Like and subscribe, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more to come live from this video, from this channel. Bye for now, from Minnesota. Love you guys all. Take care.